We all love our Marvel Cinematic Universe heroes. Their style, their persona, their powers, but on top of everything, we just love their costumes. Superhero suit look glamorous on the big screen, but fans might not be aware of the challenges the stars face with their outfits when the cameras aren't rolling. Hence why we have a list of 10 Marvel stars who shared the challenges of wearing superhero costumes. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and dive straight into it.
Get up there, you need a ride.
I got a ride. I could use a boost though. Ah, it's gonna be fun.
Scarlett Johansson said that her Black Widow suit combined with a warm desert climate during Avengers filming led to excessive sweating and skin conditions. She once said in an interview that we all had skin conditions going with our outfits after 15 hours of non stop sweat. Robert Downey Jr.'s Iron Man suits got easier to wear over time, but it was difficult at the start. Animation director Mark Chu told that the actor stopped wearing the full costume years ago. Instead, Marvel has used CGI technology to create the iconic suit that fans see in the films. Downey Jr. has also worn a partial suit, referred to as a football suit, for some scenes.
I'm only gonna say this once. Get out.
Don Cheadle said that the War Machine suit ain't no lightweight thing. Cheadle said that for a large portion of filming, he wears a motion capture suit, and special effects are later added to achieve what fans see in the movies. But he still has to wear an actual suit, and he once admitted that it's very heavy and it's fiberglass. Gwyneth Paltrow said that suiting up in Iron Man 3 was just nothing at all. Women are so much stronger than men. The actress also called Downey Jr. and Cheadle for complaining about their costumes, saying men are crybabies. Paul Bettany's vision ensemble makes it difficult for him to hear. Bettany explained that his face gets painted and then a rubber balaclava is put over his head and glued to his face. He also wears a robo-muscle suit that is equipped with tubes that run ice water through to keep his body cool. Ant-Man and the Wasp star Evangeline Lilly said that she is used to being uncomfortable for the sake of looking good. Lilly said that she has noticed male Marvel stars complain about their suits for years, and despite their criticism, she didn't find her Wasp suit to be that bad. Chadwick Boseman said that his Black Panther suit he wore in Captain America Civil War was suffocating. Boseman, who reprised the role in his 2018 standalone movie, said that he got used to the outfit. He once admitted that I think it begins to feel like skin after a while, but it takes time to get to that place. For Brie Larson, going to the bathroom requires a group of people. She said, "It's not comfortable. It takes two people to me into it, and it's a 30-minute process to put it on. It makes going to the bathroom a bit of thing. It's a team of 5 people just for me to go to the bathroom." Chris Evans' Captain America suit has evolved since his Marvel Cinematic Universe debut in Captain America: The First Avenger, but the costume is still uncomfortable. He said, "I love the cap suit. It's a great suit, but after about 3 months of wearing it, you start missing normal clothing." Years later, when Avengers Endgame hit the theaters, screenwriter Stephen McFeely disclosed that Evans has never been comfortable with that outfit from the first Avengers movie. Chris Hemsworth said that his suits aren't comfortable, but he knows that the end result on the screen is worth it. He said of his first time putting on the Thor suit during an interview that it's not very comfortable, but it looks amazing. So it's all good. It sells such an image in the picture and does a lot of work for you. That's it for now. If you know more stories like this, do share with us in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and see you all in the next video.